Here is our question. Sum of the series. Let us go for the solution. Here let us assume an equals to mod an equals to 1 by n square plus n minus 2. It's equals to 1 by n plus 2 n minus 1, and this can be further rewritten as you see 1 by n minus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. Now we can write the terms of the series. Suppose a, here you see n starts from 2, so a2 first, and a2, this will be 1 by 3, 2, here this will be plus minus 1 to the power 2 is plus 1, so this will be 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. Now a3, in a3 this will be in minus, so minus 1 by 3, and putting 3 here you get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. In the same way we can find a4. Again this will be plus in alternate plus minus plus, and a4 will be 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Now a5. In this way we may go to n. So if you see the summation, let the summation of the terms be s. So 1 by 3 we take common 1 by 3, and first 1, thereafter minus 1 by 2, thereafter plus 1 by 3 minus dot 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 to infinity, because n tends to infinity, and we give a minus sign here for the second terms in each bracket, and 1 by 3 is from this part, and here will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 minus 2 infinity. Now we are going to use this formula ln 1 plus x equals to x minus x square by 2, and so on. If you put n plus in this way, this goes to infinity. Now using this, for x equal to 1, then this will be 1 by 3 ln 2, and if you see in the second bracket, this is the same as in the first bracket. Here you see minus 1 by 4, here is 1 by 4, so with this minus, this will be minus 1 by 4. So if we introduce minus inside, then here will be plus, and this will be minus 1 by 4, this will be plus 1 by 5, and so on. But these three terms are not here, so we add these three terms, then this will be ln 2. As we have added these three terms, so to manage we have to subtract the same terms at the same time. Now we are at the end of our answer. This 2 will be 2 by 3 ln 2, and this plus 1 by 3, this will be, these 2 will be 1 by 6, and minus 1 plus 1 by 6 will be minus 5 by 6, and ultimately this gives us 2 by 3 ln 2 minus 5 by 18, minus 5 by 18. So 2 by 3 ln 2 minus 5 by 18, and this you see 2 by 3 ln 2 minus 5 by 18 in C. So C is our correct option.